So let's practice with our function operations. So I have three functions up here on the screen. So f of x is going to equal x squared minus 2x plus 6. G of x is 4x minus 5. And h of x is 2x squared plus 3. So let's just do some basic function operations here. So I'm going to do, we'll do f plus g of x first. So my f of x function, is just x squared minus 2x plus 6. And I want to add that to my g of x function, so 4x minus 5. So because I'm just adding, I don't need the parentheses, so I'm just going to drop them and then add my like terms. So I only have the 1x squared, and then negative 2x plus 4x is 2x, and 6 minus 5 is 1. So that would be my answer for adding. Okay. So I could also do some subtraction here, I could do g of x minus f of x. So my g of x function, is 4x minus 5. And then I'm going to subtract my f of x function, x squared minus 2x plus 6. So the parentheses here are super important for subtraction because I'm going to distribute that minus sign through. So I'm going to get 4x minus 5 in the front minus x squared plus 2x minus 6. I distribute the negative. And then I always like to write mine in descending order. So my highest power is 2, and I have negative x squared. And then 4x plus 2x is going to give me 6x. And negative 5 minus 6 is negative 11. And I'm going to do one more example here. And that's just going to be some function operations. So I'm going to do g times h of x. So that's just telling me to do the g of x function times the h of x function. So my g of x function was 4x minus 5. And my h of x function is, scrolling back up, 2x squared plus 3. So you can use the box method or FOIL, distribute, however you want to think about it. I'm going to use distribute. So I have 4x times 2x squared, so that's going to be 8x cubed. And then 4x times 3, that's going to give me 12x. Negative 5 times 2x squared, so minus 10x squared. And what color haven't I used? Okay, we'll do dark purple here. Negative 5 times positive 3, so negative 15. So I don't have any like terms to put together, but I do like to rearrange these so the powers go in order. So I'm just going to rearrange it so it's 8x cubed minus 10x squared plus 12x minus 15. And just as a little review, I'll do one more multiplication and we'll make it a little bit of a longer problem. So for this last one, I'm going to do f of x times h of x. So I should probably put an equal sign there. My f of x function is that quadratic, So I have x squared minus 2x plus 6. And I'm going to multiply that by 2x squared plus 3. So if it makes you more comfortable, you can flip the order around and put the small group in front. I'm just going to leave it like this, and I'm going to distribute it kind of one thing at a time. So I'm going to distribute my 2x squared through the first group. So 2x squared times x squared is 2x to the 4th. 2x squared times negative 2x is negative 4x cubed, and 2x squared times 6 is 12x squared. And then I'm going to distribute my 3 to all three of these as well. So 3 times x squared is 3x squared, so I'm going to line that up here. 3 times negative 2x is negative 6x. That doesn't have any like terms, so I'm just going to make a new column. And then 3 times 6 is 18. And then I'm just going to add down to combine my like terms. So I've got 2x to the 4th minus 4x cubed plus 15x squared minus 6x plus 18.